We're in the two big kids room and we're transitioning this one into a big bed. So we're going to be giving the room a bit of a makeover. I'm going to quickly measure everything because we need to order some trim and some wallpaper. We're kind of in the planning stages right now. So let me show you how to measure a room super quick and transfer it to a white paper and get a nice 2-scale drawing. No graph paper, no fancy rulers required. Okay, so I already measured my room and I'm going to show that video in just a second, but what I'm doing right now is getting the scale of my drawing. So I have all my measurements written down and then I'm going to divide them and try and get something that fits on my page. So I'm going to take my two biggest measurements, which are 134 and 129 inches, and then I'm going to just pick a number at random and go with 15. 134 divided by 15, 8.93, that's fine, but the 129 is 8.6. Now I am using an 8.5 by 11 sheet, so that's not going to fit. So then I did by 20 and I got smaller numbers, which would be fine, but they're a bit smaller. So I'm going to go with something closer to 15. So let's try dividing 129 by 16, which is the one that didn't fit quite right. So that works perfectly. So now I'm going to go back to my original list and then write them all out here. I'm not really caring too much about how close they are because, obviously I'm going to be drawing them and I'm not going to be doing it that perfect. If you do want fractions versus decimal, you can write it out that way. But like I said, this is a quick drawing, so it doesn't have to be too perfect. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I measured the room. So I'm going to go over with that audio and then I'm going to use my measurements that I have to draw my little lines. 42 and a half, 14, 31, 28, 56, 134, 129, 141. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you got good information on how to draw a room super quickly and to scale. If you need more information about measuring a room, make sure to check out my other YouTube video about that. And I also have one about drawing a to-scale drawing using graph paper. So that's also super helpful and you can kind of play around with layouts in that one too.